Hello students, today we are going to start our online teaching. Me and respected Mani sir, both of us decided to take our English lectures on YouTube so that the students will get information about the lessons. At first, I am going to introduce myself. I am Ramdas Kulkarni, the teacher of English subject in Mahatma Bashiveshwar Vidyalaya. So, at first, I welcomes all you students in our online class. I request all students to listen and to see every video at their home and to understand each and every lesson. At first, I want to tell you that our first poem 1.1 Be the Best from unit first, Manesar is going to take that take that poem. So, I am going to take your second activity. The name of that activity is Androcles and the Lion. So I request all you students to open your books. Also come to the page number 6 and do what I said to you. So here we are going to start our actual lesson. Look this page. I have opened the page of your textbook, page number 6, lesson number 2, activity 1.2, Androcles and the Lion. Here I am going to take warming up activity regarding this lesson. Warming up, chit chat. Here are some questions in this activity. Look these questions. First question is, have you ever helped anyone and why? This is the first question. Have you ever helped anyone and why? Many times we get chance to help someone in our life. Here also writer has asked us that have you ever helped anyone and why? Now you have to answer this question in your notebook or in your workbook. Do this activity, write all the answers of questions by your own. I am going to tell some answers. You have to write such type of answers in your notebook. The first question is, have you ever helped anyone? Why? Then the answer is, yes, I have helped my friend once in an exam. I gave my pen to him. Such answers you can give. Then second question, how did you help him or her? The second question, look, here you have to answer this question also. Has anyone ever helped you in your need? The fourth question is, how did you feel at that time? And the fifth is, how did you show your gratitude to him or her? These are some questions regarding in chit chat activity. You have to answer all that questions in your notebook. Actually, when we teach this activity in our class, we take answers from students directly, but here it is not possible for us, so you have to write the answers of all that questions at your home. You have to make possible answers, not only single one answer, but you have to make possible many answers regarding only one question, like have you ever helped anyone? Why is the question here, so you can give many reasons. or single question also. So solve these questions. Now come to the second activity. Discuss with your benchmate and write down the names of any 5 stories of bravery that you have read or heard. Also name the brave hero, heroine of such story. Here in this activity you have to write the name of the story and you have to write the name of the hero or heroine of the story. One example I am going to tell you. Here the name of the story is Sindbad the Sailor. It is a myth story and the hero of the story is Sindbad, who is a sailor one. Okay, such type of stories are famous. So you can write many names of stories and their hero and heroines. Okay, complete this activity at your home. Write down it in your notebook or solve it in a workbook. Okay, now come to the second activity. Complete the facts about lions choosing from alternatives. Now here you have to fill the blanks choosing the proper alternative that is given here. 6 questions are here. The first one is lions are called dash of the jungle. The alternatives are emperor, lord, king. So ultimately the answer is king. Lions are called king of the jungle. Then second is lion belongs to the dash family of animals. Okay, you have to choose one of from dog, cat, horse. It is a category. So the answer I think you may know it. It is a cat family. Lions are dash animals, carnivores, herbivores, omnivores. These are the options. You have to select it from one. आपण म्हणतो की शाकाहारी, मांसाहारी किंवा मिश्राहारी याच्यापैकी एक आपल्याला ऑप्शन निवडायचं आहे. बघा. Then lions have a mane around dash lions have a mane around their neck, but lioness do not have it. The options are cub, male and female. The fifth question is a group of lion is called dash. It is a flock or it is a herd or it is a pride. You have to choose the correct answer. Then the sixth one, lions attack only when they are dash tricked, awake, hungry. These are some options. You have to choose correct option for each of the question and write down in your notebook. Now I am going to open the second page of the activity. So just see here what is the second. Here I am going to choose the second page. On the second page our lesson starts. So I have taken warming up activity in this first period. I request all of you to solve it in your notebook. In the next online video I will take this lesson. So here we are going to finish our today's period. Thank you.